In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and apply the best Turo promo codes to save some money on your next car rental. Whether you're planning a road trip or simply need a vehicle for a day or two, scoring a great deal always feels like a victory. Let's dive into the process and make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck when using Turo. Let's start by opening your Chrome browser. Once that's up and running, head over to the search bar and type in Best Turo Promo Codes. The idea here is to find a variety of promo code options to increase your chances of landing a working valid discount. After you hit search, you will see several websites pop up. Now, it's time to visit some of the top coupon and deal sites. Trusted platforms like Honey, Retail Me Not, or even Turo's official promotions page are excellent places to begin your search. These sites often aggregate deals and discounts from all over the web, making it convenient to find what you need without too much legwork. Once on these sites, take a careful look at the promo codes available. This is where a bit of due diligence can really pay off. One crucial point to remember is to read user reviews associated with each promo code. Reviews can provide valuable insight into whether a code worked for others and if it's still active. Another important detail is to check the date associated with the promo codes. Promo codes are often time sensitive, so it's essential to ensure that they haven't expired. After you've identified a promo code that has positive reviews and seems to be up to date, go ahead and copy the code. Simply highlight the code with your cursor, right-click, and select Copy from the drop-down menu. By doing this, you ensure you have the code ready to use when you reach the checkout stage on Turo's website. Now that you have your promo code copied, it's time to visit Turo.com. Here, you'll find the car rental options that fit your needs. Select the car you wish to rent and proceed to the booking and checkout process. When you reach the checkout page, you'll see a designated space for promo codes. This is where you'll paste the promo code you found earlier. Simply right-click in the promo code box and select Paste. Double-check to make sure the code is entered correctly. Once that's done, press the Apply button. You should see your discount reflected in the total price. And there you have it. With these steps, you're equipped to find and apply the best Turo promo codes available, maximizing your savings. Thanks for watching, and happy renting!